So let's quickly take a look at this test so that we can better understand it. One thing I want to fix here is this resharper suggestion for naming conventions. I just want to rename it to driver. Sorry, I'm a stickler for following standard conventions. I think it's very important for everybody to have code that's easily readable. Anyways, so over here, you guys can see we still got the standard declaration of our field. And then over here, we have a setup method, which we call init. And inside of that, we use a desired capabilities class that allows us to set the browser stack user, the key, the browser version, OS version, and resolution. So you can see that through this class, we can communicate with browser stack. We can tell it which browser we want to run in, and then we send those commands using the remote WebDriver class. To get these values, browser stack has a handy little tool that you can do over here, right? So if you want to run it in Windows 10 against the Edge browser in this resolution, it fills it in for you. Just take this and copy it. If you want to run it in Windows XP, and if you're still in Windows XP, I feel sorry for you, and I'm really sorry. And against IE6, and you want to do by that resolution, you can just go ahead and copy that and put that in your code. I do want to update this. I actually learned something really cool recently. And let me go ahead and update this rather than hard coding your username and your key here, which you actually get from browser stack. They show it to you guys here in their code snippet, your browser stack and user key. I'm actually going to put those in my environmental variables. And why that's really cool is that now, for example, whenever I'm showing you guys the code, I don't have to mask my username and key from you guys so that you don't access my account, of course. And not that I don't trust you guys, but you know, I don't want to be sharing all my personal information with you. But the second benefit of that is that it's hidden on my system, and now I can leave these values alone and I don't have to keep changing them. Let me show you what I mean. So when I go to my Windows and start typing environment variables, and then a selection comes up and I hit it, I come over here, and then I can go to this environment variables button, come over here, and now I'm going to enter 2 new variable names. For now, I'm going to put in a value of 1, and I'm going to put in a value of 2. So now I have my environmental variable set up here. Okay, great. Okay, now I can pass those in here. So for the user, it's just going to be environment dot get environment variable. And now it's going to ask me for the variable. So I believe that was that browser stack underscore user, okay? And then you need to pass in environment variable target, and they have a enum for that, environmental variable target dot. I put it in my user variables, okay? So let me just copy this entire line, come down here, paste that there, and instead of browser stack user, it's going to be browser stack key. I'm going to save that. And of course, now I'm going to go back and enter the appropriate values for this guy into my environmental variables to mask them from you guys.